placed his hands on Sean Glass's shirt, telling Mr. Glass to stop making disparaging statements and untrue statements about Coach Campbell's son. There was never any criminal intent on behalf of Coach Campbell. Coach Campbell apologizes for touching Mr. Glass. Coach Campbell has offered to personally apologize to Mr. Glass with his council president. Under the court's order, he cannot meet personally with Mr. Glass without the council being present. At no time did Coach Campbell threaten to kill or harm Mr. Glass. Coach Campbell would not do so. The citizens of Lincoln County know that to be true. And that's the end of the statement. Do y'all have any questions?
Have y'all reached out to Mr. Glass? Does he have any intentions of meeting with you and your council?
We have reached out to Mr. Glass. He did not want to meet with council president. But under the court order, we're not allowed to meet with Mr. Glass unless I'm with him. So we have reached out to him. Any other questions?
Can you just go through the physical contact that did happen?
Well, I think the easiest thing, the way to explain it is he got his attention by grabbing his shirt and asking to stop making disparaging statements and untrue statements about his son. That's what any parent would do under circumstances like that. And it's certainly Coach Campbell, he does everything he can to maintain the dignity of his position with the Lincoln County football program and with Lincoln County athletics. And it was just an excited set of circumstances that led to the touching, and he apologizes for it.
So what's next in this one?
What's next is the grand jury in Lincoln County will hear the evidence concerning this case and decide whether to indict Coach Campbell. We expect that the District Attorney's Office of the Toombs Circuit will give a fair and complete explanation of the facts and circumstances and witnesses' statements, and let a grand jury determine if anything further should be done.
I'm sure you guys have been out in the community, obviously not you personally, but what are people saying to Coach Campbell? Are they supporting him? Are they behind him?
Coach Campbell has been swamped with support, both in the church community, school community, and the community in general. The reason that we ask all of y'all to come in under these circumstances is so that we could just do this one time. Because there have been a lot of requests for interviews, a lot of requests for statements, things of that nature.
We've heard that Sean Glass is affiliated with the school, maybe a bus driver. Is there any truth to that? Is he affiliated with the Board of Education?
I don't know that personally. My understanding is he's a substitute bus driver. That's the extent of my knowledge concerning Sean Glass.
Do we know what sort of statements were made against Brian Campbell that led to this altercation?
I think there's a recorded record of the statements that were made with the Board of Education. And of course we're doing our best to, I guess you would edit it so that you could remove the collateral noise and really be able to understand what people are saying. Anything else? All right, we're all done. Thank y'all very much.